Throdle. So I just found another 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air owned by
Kelly.
So it's really nice to see a female builder around here, which is great. Tell me a little bit about the TriFive crew. Who are you?
TriFive crew is just a group of those of us that love TriFive cars. We're here in the Orange County, SoCal area, and we just gather when there's a gathering and come out and represent strong.
Very nice. So what have you done to this Bel Air?
So this Bel Air has a 327 in it, disc brakes up front, air conditioning, power steering, and a 700 R4 transmission.
So how many times have you been to this Qruisin event here at the PCH?
I have been here now about 5 times.
Okay, and what do you love about Qruisin?
I love that, one, we all get together, we got to see everybody's interests. We all may have TriFives here and different cars, but everybody kind of likes to do something different to them. And so that's always fun. And then the cruise itself that's what these cars are made to do. They're made to drive. And that's what our club is all about, is we drive them. We just went to Bakersfield for a TriFive 2-day show and drove them out there and did fun runs on the drags.
Well, very nice.
Thank you.
So much,
Nice
Kelly.
meeting you.